Okay, you become immortal, but you can never move again. Um, I will not press the button. I'm not okay with that. Okay. You get the ability to run faster than sound, but your bladder only has 1/8 of the original volume. I will not, because what if I'm running and then suddenly I have to go use the bathroom? Like I think I can die. So I will not. Will you press the button? You go back in time, bring anything you want with you, but Hitler wins the war. No, I will not. That's never a good thing. Will you press the button? You can read minds, but only when your heads are touching. No, I don't want to touch people. 80% people have pressed this button, while 20% did not. Ugh. Okay, next. I hate running more than anything in the world. It says you will have unlimited stamina, but you can only run everywhere. No, I do not want to run everywhere. You will be able to apply cartoon physics at will, but all cartoon related injuries can harm you. I do not want to be flattened and run into a tunnel and then a train come at me and hit me. You said yeah. Okay. 53% said they would, and 47% said they will not. You instantly learn and understand all human knowledge up to this point, but nobody is able to remember you for more than 24 hours. Oh, how does that make you feel? Cartoon hacks ain't worth it. The split. No, they aren't. I would want you to remember who I am. Like dating is hard as it is. So it would be like a first date. They actually got married and I wouldn't. I don't think it's worth it. 34 pressed the button and 66% did not. We're oh boy. Okay. Will you press the button? Everything will be free just for you, but except for electronic goods, which will be more expensive. Um, so that means rent will be free, uh, gas will be free, your car will be free. Resale power? Yes, that is true. I think I would. Uh, Electronics are already expensive. So yeah, I would push the button. 77% said they would, and 23% said they would not. Will you press the button? You discover an ultra rare material in your backyard. Sell it and make, was it $1 million? No, $1 billion. I don't know math. The discovery of the material radiates your neighborhood and kills 10,000 people, and you become scolded on the public news. I'm gonna be rich though. I can give them money. Here's some money for each of your family. I mean, you're not gonna go to jail. Who gives a fuck? I'm rich. Pretty much. Okay. Only 39% of the people said they press the button, and then 61% said they will not. Okay. It's got a way to be like turn off ads. You will get all the superpowers you want, except everyone you touch will die. Yes. No! That means I won't be able to touch you. Fine, I won't touch you ever again. Okay. You are the absolute ruler of Earth, but Earth will be destroyed in 5 years. All hail the Queen. Yes. We'll be fine. We'll get over it, and we'll make a new Earth. You will never hurt yourself by falling, but you will always stumble. No. You get a piece of pie, but every time you take a bite, the pie itself changes flavors from cherry to apple to turkey, pot pie, etc. I got 5 years to get it together. Get it together. Get it together. Get it together. That sounds interesting. Like I'll bite a pizza because that's a pie and it'll taste like something else. Worth it. Oh, here's a sad one. Um, you become very sporty, but you can't eat fast food ever again. Yes, I want to be very sporty. I will be okay. I can make my own pizza. Yes. 56% said they would, and 44% was like, no, it's not worth it. I mean, you're going to be great at every sport you do. Okay.